Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying eligibility. Public domain, Creative Commons with allowed use or a cleared license. Open your source and note exact license terms and attribution requirements, because later you must match them. Once done, download the track or save the stream reference and capture metadata. Title, author, year, license ID. Make sure to keep screenshots or a PDF copy of the license. That evidence matters if a claim appears. Now prepare a brief notes file to reference during editing. You import the cleared audio into your editor and trim it to fit the short's runtime. Normalize levels and remove silence to avoid detection mismatches. While editing, insert on-screen attribution exactly as the license requires. Author, title, license type, and link or ID if specified. Once the asset is placed, export with embedded caption or description text containing attribution. Make sure metadata fields carry the same info so automated systems can verify compliance when the short is uploaded. You upload the short and paste the exact attribution into the description and captions. Include license ID and any required phrase. After publishing, monitor copyright notifications for 48-72 hours because automated systems often flag new uploads. If a claim appears, respond with the stored license evidence and a concise explanation. Attach screenshots, timestamps, and the license file. If the platform rejects your dispute and you legitimately hold rights, follow the DMCA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.